What's up, everybody? It's the first tournament of the 2026 season. It's about 3:40 in the morning. I'm getting ready to head to my partner's house, and so we can head out to the lake this morning. Hey, but before we get into this video today, do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that share button, share this content. Don't know how the day is gonna go, but I'm believing and I'm trusting that today is gonna be a great day. It's gonna be cold today. Temperature starting out on the lake, gonna be in the late 20s, early 30s, and hopefully we can probably hit that 50-degree temperature at some point throughout the day. But it looks like it's gonna be in the 40s, possibly. So it's gonna be a cold day, but we're fishing a power plant lake, so should be a good day today. So without further ado, let's get into the video today. Let's go.
JD fishing in the zone. Let's ride, let's go. Sunrise low. Waves moving slow. Yeah, line drops deep. Heart start to race. Feeling that pull. Smile on my face.
Hooks that ride like smooth and clean. Fish on the line, living my dream. No stress, just peace on the water. Chasing that bite like it's all that matters. Yeah. Jetty fishing, we vibing. Every cast got that timing. Jetty fishing, we vibing. Perfect weather outside, so you know we grinding. Jetty fishing, we vibing. From the dock to the deep, we shining. Jetty fishing, keep vibing.
Yo, what's up, everybody? Just parked the truck. About to head down here to the water. We're already a couple hours into the tournament. It was a super long line this morning, so about to hurry up and get on this water. Gotta get some fish in the boat. Let's get to it. There we go. Yeah.
That's gonna be close.
Yeah. First fish of the day. First fish, let's go.
You got tag?
Yeah, I'm gonna tag on.
Oh, okay. I knew I saw him somewhere.
Appreciate it.
All right, good start.
So best of all, already this one reloader. Go. He may not make it.
You almost had one.
Come on, man.
All right.
Fish number 2.
Make it?
Yep, he makes it. There's number 2.
You got a fish?
Thank you.
Is that a chatterbait?
Yeah.
I even put one in my bag and I was thinking, I'm not throwing a chatterbait. And of course I don't have it. I'm sure that's big enough though.
Yeah, I didn't think it was on there. Let's see.
Well, I'm gonna have to get my dang white chatterbait out again.
4.
Make sure. What kind of trailer you got on there?
Right, it's just like a little minnow bait. It's a freeloader.
Prayed in parking lots, wondered if I missed my fate. But every closed door still sounds like a knock to me. Someday I'm gonna light up that stage, turn these small town scars into center page. All these late nights, long drive, tears I had to hide, they're gonna mean something, yeah, they're gonna shine. I keep on climbing when it hurts this way, 'cause I believe someday starts today. Someday starts today. Oh yeah. Hand me down.
Man, Squaw Creek is just one of those lakes, man, where I just can't really seem to put together a solid bag of fish. It's either I'll have one really good fish or a couple really small fish. It's really hard for me to really kind of hone in and really figure out what's really happening on that lake. It's really a challenge at times for me to really kind of find those fish. And I mean, fortunate enough, I was able to get 4 fish to the scale for the tournament. But I mean, these are not 4 fish that I'm just extremely proud about. These are 4 fish just to give me a fighting chance to start the year for making a run for the Angler of the Year. So right now, I mean, after this tournament for Angler of the Year points individually, I am in 9th place. As a team for this particular tournament, me and my partner ended up placing 4th for the tournament. So we were right outside of placing within our club tournament. But I mean, it was something I'm not extremely excited about, nor am I like upset about either, because I could have zeroed. I didn't. I was able to catch fish. But it's just like, man, I really want to, I'm really ready for, to have those good days out there on the waters. And, we're just not quite there yet. So, but I'm excited about being out there on the water, excited about this first tournament, giving myself a chance and setting me up for the season. So I'm really excited about that. I want to implement something this year. So the next video you'll see will be a tournament breakdown where we're talking about what baits I'm throwing. We're talking about the areas that I'm looking at and why I was choosing certain baits and certain colors and certain things, right? So the next video I'm implementing now this year, we're doing tournament breakdowns. And it'll be a quick little breakdown of just some things. That way you can implement some of those things on your local bodies of water. And we'll talk more about the lake and all that. So, man, without further ado, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video today. I'm sitting here watching some of this dual thread fishing while I'm editing and doing all this. So, man, I'm just trying to see what these guys out there in Florida are doing and how the weather and everything is gearing up for them out there. We're getting ready to gear up for an ice storm down here in Texas. They say it's going to be pretty bad. We'll see how it is, but I'm ready to be locked in. So hopefully over the next couple of days, I'll get some more footage and everything already knocked out for you guys. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to the video today. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below. And don't forget, once we hit 500 on the channel, we're doing a giveaway. I want to do, I'm thinking right now, I'm thinking about doing $100 giveaway for a gift card to a tackle store for you guys to be able to get you some gear, right? So get some bait, get all that stuff, right? So remember, once this channel hits 500, we're doing the giveaway, and you want to make sure that you're subscribed here on the channel, because you have to be subscribed in order to enter into the channel. And I think that we're going to let the giveaway run for a certain amount of time. So when that time comes, we'll do all the details and all that stuff, right? But make sure you subscribe, share this content. Until next time, see y'all next week for the breakdown. Let's get into it. Bye.
All that matters. Jay fishing, we vibing. Every cat's got that time. Jay fishing, we vibing. Perfect weather outside, so you know we grinding. We vibing. From the dock to the D, we shining. JD fishing, keep riding.